Today we will tell you about some natural products that can help you increase your potency and improve your sex life. Yes, you heard right, bananas. Lemons and ginger are our main characters in today's video. Let's start with bananas. Not only are they a great source of energy, but they also contain important nutrients. Rich in potassium, vitamin C and B vitamins, bananas help improve blood circulation in the body. Ginger. This spicy root has long been known for its health benefits. Ginger helps stimulate circulation and boosts the body's energy. It also helps improve sex drive and can be helpful in combating erectile dysfunction. Vitamin C. Ginger is a good source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C supports immune system health, promotes tissue healing, and helps fight stress. Now let's move on to lemons. This bright and refreshing citrus fruit has many benefits for your sex life. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and supports vascular health. In addition, lemon contains antioxidants that help improve circulation and overall sexual function. Don't forget to add a couple of drops of fresh lemon juice to your drink, or make a refreshing lemon drink to maintain potency. As you can see, these three foods, bananas, lemons and ginger, can be a great addition to your diet for health and potency. We hope this information has been helpful to you. If you know of other foods that help improve potency, please share them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you again.